All right, here it is, folks. It looks like Google Ads via YouTube has finally greenlit the Cocoon video, so now ads are active. All right, as we head over to my YouTube, you can see the video here is the one that is being linked or has been linked to Google Ads, and this is the video that's linked to WorldStar. So you can see right now the numbers are pretty close, but I will not be using the numbers from my YouTube. I'll be tracking the numbers via WorldStar itself. So right now the score is 34 to WorldStar's 832, so very good. Again, the video has been live on WorldStar for about 2 hours. I do not believe the video has begun spinning in rotation on YouTube or Google Ads, but we will be tracking this over an entire week. So don't forget, this is more than a one-part thing. This is going to be at minimum 5 parts. So please check out my channel to track this. I think this is going to be very, very big for independent artists. Stay tuned.